Next one, MSCHF Big Red Boot. Now, it's a boot. It's not a sneaker. It's a shoe or a boot, whatever you want to call it. But it made a cultural moment. And since I do work in the social media realm, it really impacted the way influencers, movie stars, actresses, actors, anything got along on social media. There was anybody who wanted some kind of clout got it wearing the shoe for the moment it was out before. And when it did come out, a lot of you suckers bought into that, spending upwards of $1,200, $1,300 to get early pairs so you can take your picture, get the likes and the shares. And now the shoe is pretty much under retail. I got mine under retail because when I saw that the prices dropped, I was like, why not? Let me go get a pair. Got a size 13. It's a big ass box. It's sitting in my sneaker closet in the other room, side of the house, I mean. And it's just going to be there until, I'll pull them out for a party, put them on, and clown around in them or whatever, relive the moment, make my own moment. So, that's all it's good for, to be honest with you. And MSCHF, that's a creative shop that's undeniable. And one of their shoes did make my list because they did do a really dope collab that is very sneaker. So I'll get into that. But let's just keep it moving.